Hey students, let's solve one previous question of data structure. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 2 question number 3. Consider a binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children. Let n greater than 0 be the number of nodes in T. Which one of the following is the number of nodes in T that have exactly 2 children, and 4 options are given. In this binary tree, there are two type of nodes, either having 0 or 2 children. So leaf having 0 children and the internal node having 2 children. Let L equals to leaf having 0 children and I equals to internal node always have 2 children, and n is the total number of node. So n equals to I plus L, that is internal node plus leaf, and L equals to internal node plus 1. Just for example, let this is a binary tree. Now here internal node is this and this. So it's I equals to 2 and leaf equals to 3. So leaf node always equals to I plus 1. Now in place of this L, we can write I plus 1. So n equals to I plus 1. We can say 2I plus 1 equals to n. 2I will be n minus 1. Now I will be n minus 1 divide 2. So number of internal node equals to n minus 1 divide 2. This is present in option B, hence answer equals to option B. This is a direct question. If you know binary tree properties, you can easily solve this question. I already discussed binary tree. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.